convenient Purolux Auto Pause sensor will pause airflow when the dryer handle is released and resume airflow once held again. On the handle of the Purolux, you'll find 3 IR sensors, 1 on the front of the handle and 2 on the back. To maintain airflow, ensure at least one of the 3 sensors is covered during use. If not, the airflow will pause. To disengage the auto pause sensor, hold the speed switch down until the 3rd light blinks. To re-engage the sensor, hold the speed switch down until the 3rd light blinks once again.
With Revlon's new one-step hair dryer and volumizer, you get the power of a dryer and the volume of a styler for a bouncy, shiny, frizz-free blowout in up to half the time.
Hi fellow dog lovers, my name is Lori and this is Ramsey, and we're excited to introduce you to an innovative and fun new pet grooming product that's not only practical, but will also show everyone just how much you love your dog. Okay, so you've seen the typical pet hair dryer on the shelf, right? They're industrial, they're ugly, they're boring, and not only do your pets hate it when you use it on them, they're kind of intimidated by it. We searched everywhere. We looked online, offline, in pet stores, and we still could not find anything that was pleasing for us. So we decided to completely reimagine the pet hairdryer, and we are so excited to introduce to you Rover Blower. That's right, Rover Blower is a hairdryer in the shape of a dog. This is our fully functioning prototype that's about 90% complete, and that's where you come in. We have been working on this design for over a year and have spent thousands of dollars. We started with rough sketches and worked with great designers to produce the CAD drawings and 3D models. We then used the models to create these 3D prints, which is our proof of concept. We already have our proof of concept and utility and design patents pending. Now what we're asking for is your help in completing our final line of commercial-ready prototypes. The final product will be smaller and lighter in weight. What we're most excited about is your contributions will allow us to create a line that represents a variety of breeds, ranging from Labradors to Beagles to Dalmatians, and yes,